In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote Desktop for organizing. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable structure that keeps your notes easy to find and your mind clear. Start by opening Evernote on your computer. When the app loads, look to the left side of the window. That sidebar is your control center, and one of the most important sections there is called Notebooks. Click it to view the space where all your note containers live. Think of notebooks as big folders that group related notes together, so you don't end up with a single overwhelming list. Now, create your first container. Click New Notebook and give it the name Personal. This will be your home base for anything related to your life outside of work. Things like reminders, household tasks, health info, ideas, and planning. Using a clear, simple name helps you recognize it instantly and keeps your mental load low. Next, click New Notebook again and name this one Work. This is where you'll collect meeting notes, project outlines, research, and any on-the-job reference material. Keeping work and life separate reduces clutter and makes it much faster to focus when you sit down to do either. If it helps, add one more by clicking New Notebook and naming it Other. Use this as a flexible bucket for anything that doesn't neatly fit personal or work, such as hobbies or temporary projects. You can refine or rename later, but starting with these broad categories gives you the structure you need right away. Inside these notebooks, you'll place your notes. As you capture information, simply keep in mind which notebook it belongs to and assign it there so everything stays grouped. A quick tip: choose short, descriptive notebook names and keep the number of notebooks small. Fewer, clearer buckets make searching and sorting effortless. That's it. Open Evernote, go to Notebooks, create Personal, create Work, and add Other if you like. With these foundations in place, Evernote becomes a calm, organized space you can trust every day.